Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we provide you with in-depth, unbiased reviews of the products that matter most. Today, we're taking a close look at the Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender in Truffle, model CPB7TR. A sleek and compact option for those who love convenience without compromising performance. This personal blender is designed for easy on-the-go use. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender is a streamlined solution for blending on the move. Its standout feature is the 24-ounce travel cup with a silicone band, making it not only functional but also stylish. The airtight travel lid with a carry loop ensures that you can take your smoothie or protein shake wherever life takes you without the risk of spills. Whether you're heading to the gym, work, or on a road trip, this blender promises convenience at your fingertips. In terms of operation, it's impressively simple with just a one-touch control system, complemented by both blend and pulse settings for versatility. And cleanup? It's a breeze, thanks to the removable blade assembly, allowing for quick disassembly after each use. But how does this all translate into real-world performance? Let's break it down. Using the Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender is a pretty straightforward experience. Out of the box, you'll find that setting it up takes mere minutes. Just attach the cup to the motor base, drop in your ingredients, and you're good to go. For testing, I've blended everything from frozen fruit and leafy greens to protein powder and almond milk. What's great is the blend setting delivers a smooth, well-mixed drink, while the pulse setting gives you more control, which is perfect if you're working with tougher ingredients or prefer a chunkier texture. I found the blender to be surprisingly powerful for its size, breaking down frozen fruit and ice cubes effortlessly. However, the one-touch operation could leave you wanting a bit more customization, as there's no way to adjust blending speed. But for the casual smoothie lover, or those looking for a quick protein shake, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. When it comes to the pros and cons, let's first focus on what works. The 24-ounce travel cup is the perfect size for an individual serving, whether it's a morning smoothie or an afternoon snack. The silicone band not only adds an element of style, but makes gripping the cup easy, which is important if you're in a rush and on the go. The airtight lid is a huge plus for those who tend to drink their smoothies later. It seals tightly and prevents leaks, ensuring you won't end up with a mess in your bag. The cleanup is hands down one of the easiest I've encountered in personal blenders. Removing the blade assembly allows for a quick rinse, which is especially handy if you're on a tight schedule. However, it's not all sunshine and smoothies. The motor, while strong for its compact size, can get a bit noisy, especially when you're working with frozen fruits or tougher ingredients like ice. The one-touch operation is simple, but the lack of speed control or preset programs might frustrate users who want more precision. Also, while the blade assembly detaches easily for cleaning, it's important to handle it carefully as it is sharp, and the plastic components could be more durable. There's a sense that it might not withstand constant heavy use in the long run. When evaluating value for money, it's essential to compare the Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender with similar models on the market. At its price point, it competes with other compact blenders, like the NutriBullet and Hamilton Beach personal blenders. While the Soho might not have the same level of power as some higher-end models, it offers excellent functionality for the price, especially if you're someone who blends smaller batches. The added bonus of the travel cup and its sealing lid makes it a solid choice for portability, something that other models in this range might lack. If you're after a blender purely for basic tasks like smoothies and shakes, the Cuisinart Soho is a solid pick. In terms of build quality, the blender feels durable enough for regular use, but it's not built for heavy-duty tasks. The plastic construction, while lightweight and easy to handle, doesn't have the premium feel of metal-based models. Still, it's unlikely that this will be an issue unless you're using it multiple times a day for harder, more intensive blending. The travel cup and lid feel sturdy, and while the overall plastic design might be more prone to scratches, it does feel like it will last if used within its intended capacity. Now, what about customer support? Based on general feedback from Cuisinart's reputation, They've got a solid history of handling customer service requests effectively. There haven't been widespread reports of issues with this blender, but in case something does go wrong, you can expect reasonable customer support. Cuisinart typically offers warranties with their products, which adds a layer of peace of mind for potential buyers. To wrap things up, the Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender is an easy-to-use, portable solution for anyone who needs a quick and reliable way to blend smoothies or shakes. Its compact design, combined with its functional features, makes it a great choice for busy individuals on the go. While it may lack some of the advanced features or power found in higher-end models, it delivers a straightforward blending experience that meets most needs. If you're looking for an affordable personal blender that's easy to clean and transport, the Soho could be a great fit. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the comments box below for the link to grab this blender if you're interested, and feel free to leave your thoughts or questions if you've tried it out yourself. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, where we make sure you get the inside scoop on all the products you care about.